DJI Mavic Pro Fly More Combo Collapsible Quadcopter DJI Goggles Virtual Reality VR FPV POV Racing Edition Experience Bundle. The Mavic from DJI packs features you once thought possible only on much larger platforms into a compact quadcopter that is snappy, agile, and captures high-resolution images. The drone features an advanced flight control system that draws on a host of sensors including a ground-facing camera, ultrasound, GPS, dual redundant IMUs, and more to keep track of where it is flying in 3D space and even avoid collisions. The Mavic works in tandem with DJI's Go mobile app for accessing settings, getting a telemetry readout, viewing a low-latency video feed, and even editing and sharing your footage. In addition, traditional joystick-style controls, you can fly with simple tap-based commands, and the Mavic can even recognize gestures for the perfect selfie. In addition to the stand accessories, the Fly More combo features 2 additional flight batteries, 3 total, 2 additional propeller pairs, 5 total, a battery charging hub, and the shoulder bag to carry the Mavic around in. This bundle includes DJI Mavic Pro manufacturer accessories, remote controller 3x intelligent flight battery for Mavic quadcopter 5x8330 quick release folding propellers for Mavic drone gimbal clamp charger rack power cable for charger 16GB micro SD card micro USB tablet cable for Mavic controller lightning RC cable for Mavic controller reverse micro USB 2x RC cable slider car charger for Mavic Pro power bank adapter for Mavic intelligent flight battery charging hub for Mavic Pro shoulder bag for Mavic Pro. Additional accessories include DJI goggles 1080p HD immersive FPV drone accessory racing edition SanDisk Ultra 32GB micro SD card with adapter lens hood landing gear height extender kit stabilizes transparent lens cover gimbal lock microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts please click on the link below.